how to automatically sort emails into folders in Gmail. So this can be really useful if you want to categorize your emails into different folders, and you can actually make it so all new incoming emails will automatically be sent to that folder. Now I'm going to start by showing you how to create the folders. So what we need to do is go and select a couple of emails that you want to send to the same folder. So I'm just going to be selecting these 3 emails here. You then need to click on these 3 vertical dots, click on Label As, and you can either assign these to an existing folder or you can press Create New. You can then give your folder or your label a name, and I'm just going to call this Socials. You can even decide to categorize this into a subfolder as well. Now just to keep things simple, I'm going to leave this unchecked and then press Create. So what will happen now is these 3 emails will be sent over to this folder. So you can see that if I click on this Socials folder, here's the 3 emails that we've categorized. Now what you can actually do is make it so that any future emails from this company, they'll automatically be sent over to this folder, and you can even make it so they skip ever even going to the inbox in the first place. So what we need to do is go and select the email that we want to categorize. So let's say we want to do LinkedIn. You then need to click on these 3 vertical dots and click on Filter Messages like these. Now you can add different filters here, so you can do this by subject, email address, or contain certain words. I'm just going to use the email address as my filter, and then we can click Create Filter. You can then decide what you want this filter to do. So the first option we have is to skip the inbox. So what you can do is you can have this email so it's no longer saved in the inbox, and we can just send this over to a folder instead. So where it says apply the label, click on this checkbox, click on the drop down and select which folder you want to send this to. So I'm going to select my Socials folder, and because we've skipped the inbox, this is only now going to be found in the Socials folder. If you want to keep a copy of this in your inbox as well, you can just go and uncheck this, and by checking just the label, we'll now have a copy in our folder and also our inbox as well. Now you can also click on the option to also apply filter to matching conversations, and this is going to apply this to any conversations that already exist that use this email address. So we're just going to press Create Filter, and now if I click on my Socials folder, you can see that although we selected just a single email, this is now categorized 101 different emails, and any future emails that I receive from LinkedIn, they're automatically going to be placed inside of this folder. So that's how you categorize emails in Gmail. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.